Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and it's the perfect time to sprinkle your home with love, charm, and creativity. From heartfelt DIY ornaments to luxurious decorative touches, we've curated over 100 Valentine's ornament ideas that will transform your space into a romantic wonderland. Welcome back to Decorants, your ultimate guide to decor inspiration for every season. In today's video, we'll explore Valentine's ornament ideas that suit every taste, from budget-friendly DIYs to elegant store-bought options. Make sure to watch until the end, where we'll share some pro tips to make your decor truly stand out. Ready to add some love to your home? Let's dive right in. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay inspired with more decor ideas for every occasion. Before decorating, pick a theme that reflects your personal style. This will ensure all your ornaments and decor work together harmoniously. Here are a few romantic themes to consider. 1. Classic Valentines. Red, pink, and white color palettes with heart-shaped motifs. 2. Rustic Romance. Burlap hearts, twine accents, and wooden ornaments for a farmhouse vibe. 3. Modern Elegance. Metallic accents like gold or rose gold paired with soft pastel colors. What's your favorite Valentine's theme? Drop a comment below and let me know. DIY Valentine's ornaments. Making your own ornaments is not only fun, but also a great way to add personal touches to your decor. Here are some DIY ideas to get you started. 1. Heart-shaped felt ornaments. Use soft felt fabric to cut out heart shapes and stitch them together. Fill them with cotton or dried lavender for a cute and fragrant decoration. You can even personalize them with embroidered initials or designs. 2. Love letter ornaments. Write romantic notes on small pieces of paper, roll them up, and place them inside clear plastic baubles. 3. Clay heart ornaments. Use air-dry clay to create heart shapes. Add textures with lace or stamps, then paint them in soft pastel tones. 4. Button heart art. Glue buttons of various sizes and colors onto a cardboard or wooden heart shape to create a textured, colorful ornament. Are you ready to try these DIYs? Which one's your favorite? Comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you love creative decor ideas. Color palettes and materials. The colors and materials you choose set the tone for your Valentine's ornaments. Here are some ideas. Traditional: red, pink, and white with fabrics like satin and lace. Minimalist: neutral tones like beige, white, or blush paired with wood and metal accents. Playful pop: bright reds and pinks with glitter, pom-poms, and playful patterns. Decorating with ornaments. Once you've chosen your ornaments, it's time to style them around your home. Here's how to make the most of your Valentine's Day decorations. 1. Valentine tree. Decorate a small artificial tree with heart-shaped ornaments, garlands, and soft fairy lights. Choose a tree with white branches for a wintry feel or a pink one to match the Valentine's theme. Add a topper like a glittery heart or a romantic bow. 2. Tablescape accents. Incorporate ornaments into your dining table centerpiece. Arrange Valentine's-themed ornaments in a clear glass bowl or scatter them around candles and floral arrangements to add an elegant touch. Use varying sizes and shapes for a dynamic look. 3. Bedroom decor. Hang ornaments from curtain rods using satin ribbons to create a cascading effect. Alternatively, attach ornaments to the headboard for a cozy and romantic bedroom vibe. Pair this with soft lighting and a fluffy blanket to complete the look. Which of these decor ideas is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Valentine's Day inspiration. Accessorizing with final touches. No Valentine's decor is complete without the perfect final touches. Add smaller decorative accents to tie the whole look together and create a warm, romantic ambience. Mini heart cushions. Scatter small, heart-shaped cushions across sofas, chairs, or even beds to infuse cozy Valentine vibes into your seating areas. Choose cushions in pastel shades like pink, lavender, or white for a soft, inviting touch. Hanging window decor. Transform your windows into a romantic focal point by hanging lightweight Valentine-themed ornaments, such as hearts or lovebirds, using suction hooks. These delicate hanging accents catch light beautifully, creating a soft, dreamy atmosphere. Ornament bowl. Create an elegant centerpiece by filling a decorative bowl with a mix of ornaments in complementary colors and textures. Combine shiny metallic ornaments with soft, fabric-wrapped pieces or glitter-covered balls for a chic and sophisticated look. Which final touch is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video for more romantic decor tips. Storing your ornaments. When the season is over, storing your ornaments properly ensures they stay in great shape for years to come. Here's how to store them like a pro. 1. Use compartmentalized storage boxes. Fragile items like glass baubles or intricate ornaments should go into storage boxes with compartments. This prevents them from getting scratched or broken. 2. Wrap fragile ornaments in tissue paper. For extra protection, wrap fragile ornaments in soft tissue paper or bubble wrap before placing them in the compartments. 3. Label containers by type or color. To make next year's decorating easier, label storage boxes based on the type of ornaments or their color themes, like red and pink Valentine ornaments. 4. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep your storage bins in a cool, dry area to avoid damage from heat or humidity, which can fade colors or weaken materials. Did you find these tips helpful? Hit the like button and share this video with friends who love Valentine's decor. Conclusion. That's a wrap on our Valentine's ornament ideas. From charming DIY projects to elegant, ready-made decorations, we've covered ideas that suit every style and budget. These ornaments not only add a festive touch to your space, but also bring a sense of warmth and love to your home. Remember, Valentine's Day is all about spreading love. And what better way to do that than by making your home a reflection of your heart? Whether you're hosting a romantic dinner or simply enjoying the cozy vibes, these decor ideas will help create unforgettable memories. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more creative decor ideas. Hit the like button if this video inspired you, and share it with someone who loves Valentine's decor.